From the KOCO5 Weather Center, I'm Chief Meteorologist Damon Lane. This is your August 18, 2015 noon weather webcast. Big changes coming in here. Starting today, a slight risk for severe weather has been issued for northern Oklahoma. This does include Perry, out towards Ponca City, Stillwater, out towards Woodward, Enid. Then a marginal risk for severe weather for all of us here in Green, and that does include all of the Oklahoma City metro. Projected radar with this cold front coming in this afternoon does begin to show storms developing right along the front up near Woodward and out just west of Alva and across Woods County. This is going to be for about 4 o'clock this afternoon. Notice how the front becomes better well-defined here and more established with thunderstorms lining up right along it. This is going to be about 6 o'clock this evening. Some of these storms will be quite severe, especially across northern Oklahoma, with hail and damaging winds as the main threats. The storm will continue to approach Oklahoma City by 7 o'clock, and these storms are still going to have a damaging hail and wind threat even as they come into the metro, although the instability will begin to weaken as we get closer to sunset. These storms are still going to at least have the potential to pack quite a bit of punch, especially right around 8 o'clock or so. This is going to be projected radar with storms making their way through eventually El Reno, Guthrie, and approaching into Stillwater with more storms across northern Oklahoma. Scattered storms still in the forecast even as we go into the overnight, although the overall severe weather risk will be coming down by quite a bit. Midnight projected radar shows scattered thunderstorms across the state. More storms out across the Texas Panhandle. These will eventually move into the region. And as we wake up tomorrow morning, scattered light to moderate rain across much of the state here. This is really going to have a big time impact on those temperatures as rain is going to stay in the forecast all day. Scattered pockets of moderate rain still coming and going as we go throughout the day on Wednesday. This is projected radar for early Wednesday afternoon. The heaviest rain is going to stay right across northern Oklahoma. Some of the weather models are squeezing out quite a bit of rain, 5-6 inches of rain. This is what at least this model is thinking out just in western parts of Osage County, although that's going to be kind of the outlier. I expect many of us are going to see rainfall amounts much less than that across Oklahoma City, about 1/10 to 1/4 inch of rain. Slightly higher amounts just north up near Guthrie. And because we are dealing with thunderstorms coming in here, it's all dependent on where the heaviest of the cell happens to move over. But it looks like some good soaking rain will at least come in here. And then temperatures will be quickly tumbling. These are morning low temperatures for Wednesday. 70s across Oklahoma City and much of the state. Still seeing the 80s down across the south. But look what happens as we go in towards Wednesday afternoon. Highs only in the mid-60s across Oklahoma City. That's quite cool. Even 70s across northern Oklahoma. And then things really begin to cool down as we go into Thursday morning here. This would actually set a record low across Oklahoma City, about 53 degrees. Many of us down in the lower 50s, even a few 40s. So some unseasonably cold air is coming in. Hey, we're going to be tracking these storms coming up tonight on KOCO 5 News at 5, 6, and 10. We're going to have all of our crews out and, of course, bringing you all the information that you need to know as these storms move in.